Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is implied. It is pronounced implied and spelt I-M-P-L-I-E-D. Think imp and then lied. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Implied means something that is suggested or hinted at, but not directly stated. It's a good way to describe something that is understood without being explicitly said. For example, you could say, his troubled expression implied that he was not happy with the situation, or her suspicious behavior implied that she was hiding something. The word implied comes from the Latin word implicare, which means to entwine or involve. Over time, it came to mean suggesting or indirectly indicating something without expressly stating it. This shift in meaning likely occurred through use, where speakers or writers used it to convey ideas indirectly or subtly suggesting them. See the connection? The word implied is very closely related to an important 11 Plus exam concept: inference. Inference is where you come to a logical conclusion about the meaning of the comprehension text, even though the meaning might not be directly stated. If someone slams a door or goes red in the face, you can probably infer they are angry, even though the author may not have directly stated they are, indeed, angry. In The Snowman by Raymond Briggs, a snowman magically comes to life and goes on an adventure with a little boy. The story ends with the boy waking up the next morning and the snowman is gone. We can imply from this, even though we are not told, that the snowman melted. Synonyms for implied are hinted, suggested, and understood. Antonyms for implied include stated, expressed, and directly spoken or said. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Implied. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.